So, hey, hi Manali, welcome.
My
So, just
pleasure.
tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, myself Manali Mohite. I've done my master's in computers. And with that, Visharad in classical dance Kathak. So, firstly, like for many years, I worked as an IT professional, and afterwards, I started my own classes
Okay.
of Kathak in Mumbai, Thane.
Okay, so why this sudden switch happened, like from IT to directly this dance? So, what
So
was that?
actually both were going hand in hand because
Okay, okay.
from childhood only I was learning Kathak,
Mhm.
and it was always my passion,
Wow.
first priority. But with education and all, then I got a good job in IT, so I started that. But after marriage, when we shifted here in Mumbai, and mainly after kids, I quit my job after kids. I'm a working mother, two lovely kids. So after that, it will be more, like feasible for me. And a profession अभी ऐसा हो गया that profession is my passion. So I can give, my best in that.
Exactly. So,
From
basically, you have gotten your purpose of life.
yes, because that somewhere it is, some IT job is hectic and so many things are there. This job needs so much time. You have to give so much time in for your own
Right.
studio, your classes, growing up
Right.
all students and all. But I'm happily doing it because I love dancing.
Lovely. Awesome. And that's what I love because you are doing something what you love.
Right.
And that gives you the fuel, and that is the only reason I every time, like whenever I do for first my one-to-one session, or whenever I do, I just keep asking them what is the purpose. See, doing simply doing, just living a life, just waking up and then eating your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and doing something, and at the end of the day just again getting back to bed.
Right.
But it's not something you are living for. You should have a purpose of life, and when you have that purpose, automatically you'll start to maintain your health, you'll start to maintain a good diet, everything will fall in place.
Right.
Super. So the next thing is what I would like to ask, as you're a dancer, so it is your profession itself, it demands to stay fit, a
Yes.
flexibility, mobility, everything. So why you joined our community? What is the reason?
Actually, what happened, like I've never overweight in my 30s, and even after my delivery, I reduced all that weight because 2-3 hour dancing is a normal thing for me from
Yes,
many
yes.
years.
Mhm.
But last 2 years in the lockdown, routine got changed. Everything is, online. We are at home. So sudden weight gain, some back issues, back pain, knee
Right,
pain,
right,
and dance karte hue stamina thoda sa, like I had my stamina, but उसमें भी थोड़े 1 hour के बाद I'm, getting some uh, feeling weak. So all that things happen, and it was very disturbing for me, weight gain and loss of stamina because I have to be on stage for a longer time.
right.
Uh, so then only I saw your ad on social media. So luckily, I attend that 3 days session, and then I've decided I should go for it. Even मतलब उसको ज़्यादा late नहीं करना है. Don't wait
Right.
for something more happen and then start.
Lovely. And that's what there are few things what I really love about you. The first thing is, of course, I already told you, you are doing something what you love. And the second thing is you take action very fast. That's what I really love. It's not only about this particular things which you started. It's everything. Whenever I tell Manali this something is going wrong, you need to change this, and you do it very fast. That's what I love. And you get result fast. That is the only reason. So tell me, what are the changes you have received so far? Yeah, you were with me, I think 2.5 months, two and
Yes,
something like this, right?
yes,
So
almost.
far, after joining, what are the changes you have seen in your life, in your body, in your mind, everything?
First thing is like first week was very hard for me when I
Right,
started because
right,
dancing is a different thing, and this total workout and whatever we are doing in this
right,
is a totally different experience. So early wake up and mainly first week, that routine workout.
right, right.
Even yoga, I have never done in my life. Zumba and dance is fine, but So that proper routine and all is the first thing. I need that first week, that big change. Then slowly I've changed my lifestyle. So many things we read in this 2.5 month, uh, like mind transformation, body transformation, including the early dinner, early wake up. So ये सारी चीजें ऐसे लगता है all are no, I can't do it. मेरा lifestyle ही ऐसा है, I don't have time. But नहीं, possible है, it can be done if you want to.
Right.
So we
And what are the
here
benefits? And what are the benefits? What are the changes
benefits,
you can see?
changes are, it's not only the physical changes,
Very
it's
true.
overall behavioral changes.
Exactly.
The stress-free life. I mean, it's like if you have a lot of stress, but you can minimize it.
You can
That is
manage
what
it.
I have learned. You can manage it. So then my stamina improved, my speed of dancing. वहाँ मुझे मतलब I can relate my changes and I can see it. कि मुझे stamina. Then throughout the day till night, I'm fully energetic.
That is amazing, huh?
Evening होते होते ऐसे होता है कि नहीं अब मुझसे नहीं होगा. Now don't ask me anything. I'm done. I've returned from my classes. So don't ask me anything, whether it is husband or kids. But this is not happening.
Wow.
Till like I'm sleeping, I'm active. I'm
Wow.
happily doing everything.
Wow.
So that's the very important thing for me.
Yes, yes,
and
of
that,
course. If you ask, I'm quite sure if you ask anyone out of 10, you'll find eight of them are saying they don't have energy at the end of the day.
Yeah. So even this was happening with me before a few months, but in only 2 months find that change, and that full day you are active, even taking all the classes, going out.
And classes,
having time
it's
with
not
family.
even you're not sitting. You need to show them.
Yes. I'm dancing. I'm like in the lockdown, I was sitting. I'm taking classes, so that was also a habitual. But now I'm on the floor with students, and every day it is not. And with that, I'm pursuing my masters in Kathak Alankar. So
Right.
that study, that classes. But now I'm able to manage everything. Then back pain reduced a lot. Whatever exercises showing in our daily routine, the no knee pain, bending and everything, front side bending. Oh, nahi karna. I was avoiding it, but I'm managing it smoothly now.
Superb. So apart from this physical changes, your energy, anything you can tell us, anything apart from that, like the change in your life or something about your happiness, anything?
If change, first thing I told you, it is matlab, uh, I mean the experience is, it's not only physical change, it is your mind transformation. Matlab diet and exercise to hai hi,
Yeah,
but
so
more.
the thing is why it is different than other, like why it is different, like why, see, हमें ये पता है कि फिट होने के लिए वर्कआउट करना है, डाइट करना है, ये सब कुछ यूट्यूब में है हमारे पास, ऐसे कि नहीं है. But
Right.
what is something what we are doing here that is not exactly that workouts and all?
See, workout you will get, or diet also you will get, in gym or cardio kar lo ya ye kar lo wo kar lo. Many kinds of exercises they can show everyone. It is available. I mean, but the thing is, it's not only that. बहुत सी चीजें हम सोचते हैं कि weight loss करना है, उसके लिए करना है, but weight loss नहीं हो रहा है. I'm following a diet, still it is not happening. So actually, what I experienced, it is not about your physical change, it is about your transformation from inside. Like your mind should be ready for everything and you should be happy from inside.
Exactly.
So that is also here in our this experience, our अपना जो ये है उसमें ये सारी चीजें हैं. Your acceptance. पहले तो आपको accept करना है what you are doing, why you are doing. Then your lifestyle changes are there. You should be that much open. You should be that much honest with yourself.
True, very true.
You want to do, and what is the weak point you have, what are your strengths, believe in yourself. So all that things is not going to happen in gym. it is, but we are getting it here, like all the mind mastermind sessions जो है, this all helping a lot to I mean सारा मतलब एग्जीक्यूशन करने के लिए वॉट एवर वी आर गेटिंग दैट एग्जीक्यूट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होने के लिए
See, अल्टीमेटली देखो मुझे इतना लगता है कि 30 के बाद अगर कोई किसी को भी हम लोग बोलते, क्योंकि दे हैव देयर ओन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, दे हैव देयर ओन लाइफ, अगर उनको बोलते कि 2 घंटा वर्कआउट करो, डाइट में ऐसे ऐसे फॉलो करो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल,
राइट,
बिकॉज अगर
and
किसी
then
के
that results are also that results will also be limited कि
right
you give me your 15 days or 1 month and you will reduce this much and then it's over. No, you have to understand कि you have to continue it for a longer time, or
Right.
in your life you have to implement in your life,
right
so that
exactly.
changes, all the changes you have to do in yourself.
And the one more thing is, like, it's not only about, we are not focusing only on body. The first thing is
Exactly, that thing only, the matlab, which make it different from others, that we are not here, you are not focusing on body or only the workout or the only diet. Here you are
Right.
getting everything.
Sometimes the
And
problem is the
what I
sometimes
feel
problem
is,
is yeah
sorry,
no, no,
here what I feel is that you are focusing on the root cause.
yeah
the what is the root cause, and by सबके लिए चीजें अलग अलग होती है, but that finding out that root cause is important, which will help you for a
Suppose
life.
for an example, what I know, as a person, you're very career oriented, you have started your entrepreneurship and you love it. So if I cannot help you to fuel your business, if I cannot help you to be more productive, I know that you cannot give your attention, you cannot give your energy for your fitness. So somehow we need to, in a mastermind or somehow, that should be something which people can implement in their life. That may be
Right.
for their career, something like what you did in that wheel of life, right?
Yes.
So there are few things, they will find out the root cause, and or weight loss आपका जो ये सब तो by product है.
And if the wheel of life, if you go through all that and if you work on all that aspects given in that wheel of life, you will definitely get the result. So if you are not getting results, something we are missing.
Right.
To कोई भी part हम miss कर रहे हैं.
Right.
Like I'm just completed my 40, so I was like, yeah, I have to be on
this is really like admirable. It's like things I would really like to appreciate. You have crossed your 40, and still the first step you have taken for starting your journey, that and at a first shot you didn't say, like, most of the time I see, like, as I've been dealing with a lot of people nowadays, people, once they are like settled with their jobs, they have their family, they're not that, they're sticking to their comfort zone very much. People
have to come out
people are them very much comfortable until doctor is saying something, doctor is telling them to chalo abhi ye karna hai, aapko wo karna hai, but at the end of the day we are not getting that energy, but they are not doing something. Yeah,
right. Even I got that response from some of my, like we discussed with, that I'm going to start this with a relative or someone.
Right.
Hey, you are not that overweight, or that age, you're dancing also, so I don't think you need it. If I'll get overweight, like so much, after then only I should think. If I'm thinking little early, that is because I want to be on the floor, I want to dance till my 70s. जैसे मैं अभी क्लासेस ले रही हूँ, मुझे उसको ग्रो करके मुझे क्लासेस, जैसे मेरे गुरु अभी तक क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, देयर आर इन देयर 70s. आई वांट टू डू दैट एंड बी ऑन द स्टेज.
क्या इसीलिए एक विजन रहना लाइफ में बहुत जरूरी है. आपको करना है तो क्यों करना है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज सबको पता है कि पतला होना अच्छे, सबको पता है weight losing is very good, but ultimately you need the reason why you need to do it. That is very important.
And even with this, we are doing so much things in our this plan, but never I felt like, if you are on diet, if you are exercising or anything you are doing, never felt weak. Like if you are losing weight,
that
but
is
still you are feeling energetic. So that is important. We just don't want to lose weight, but we should have a stamina and energy a whole day.
So you lost about 4 inches, right?
Yes.
And perfect, actually, doing all those things. And was it very easy for you, the journey, like so far, whatever you have passed? So
See, so many things we have done. If we'll discuss in detail, I can talk to you for hours. But
no, simply, I'm just asking, like people
ah,
say, like I'm a family person, I cannot have them, because I'm saying you have also faced those kind of problems, right, in your life.
yes, time
You had
management
your
was
birthday,
a
you had your, like you bought your car, so many things.
yes. So like when I started, na, that time only I thought about it. You know, it's a festival time. Diwali, before Diwali, I started. So Diwali, then I know my birthday will come, then Christmas, then New Year, party time. So ये सब आने ही वाला है. But I
Exactly.
don't want to wait like कि January आ जाएगा. I'll get that comfort time.
That is that is
Then
that is
I'll
that is
start.
the that is the awesome thing, because at 80% न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन इसलिए फेल होते हैं क्योंकि दे वेट करते न्यू ईयर के लिए.
Right. So see, if I'm committing to this, I'll find out something. ठीक है, but करना है तो अभी start करना है. So it was, yeah, I will not say that it was very easy. Yeah, it was difficult sometimes to, time management and to change in my lifestyle. Like we were having dinner so late.
Right.
And so many small changes in
Right.
our daily routine.
Right.
But yet somehow I managed it. And thanks to you that you are always there to help in all the aspects.
Thanks to you, because see, having this kind of member in my community, that is quite an honor for me, because you take action. That's what I love. And I hope also, because ultimately our goal is to change the ambience of our house. So probably from 2022 we'll be starting with you and your husband together. We'll be starting our journey.
Yeah,
That's what I dream.
even I want, and I'm reminding him. Let's
Super.
start. So let's see.
So any message you have for the people like who are over 30 and they're still thinking whether they should start their fitness journey, or they should be about
So what?
managing their anger, stress and everything, whether any message you have for them?
See, even like it was, like who didn't know, they feel like it was very easy for me. I mean, if they're just looking at it, but I'm also managing all that things. I'm a little impatient. I'm short-tempered, a lot of, but I'm managing all that. I'm trying to improve on the things like which we discuss mainly in mastermind sessions. What I feel is, what I message I want to give is that we do so many things in our life. We work, career, work, family, everything is there. We are earning. We like our, business improve, promotions, everything. But now we are giving the less priority to our health, which we should give. We should, like, time nahi hai, mera routine aisa hai, I'm so much busy person. ऑफिस इतने बजे स्टार्ट होता है या इतनी बजे एंड होता है, वॉट एवर इज द डिफरेंट रूटीन एंड ऑल, बट वो हम 1 आवर खुद के लिए नहीं निकाल पाते हैं. सो what I want to
Are
say
you
is,
leaving this
this is
message for your husband, especially?
yes.
Okay.
So don't give that excuse. We will always have time if we want to do something, and this is the right time. So don't wait longer time. That don't. जैसे मतलब what I feel, और ऐसे बोलते हैं कि if you are taking too much time and you are thinking too much, मतलब नहीं सोच रहे हैं वो भी गलत है. But अगर you are taking so much time to think about anything, that right decision will also may get wrong.
Exactly. और
So
ये
do not think
मैंने
much.
भी सुना है, आप कभी भी कोई भी चीज, इवन इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट दिस जर्नी, एनीवेयर इन योर करियर, व्हाटएवर, सम यू नीड टू फिक्स अ डेडलाइन एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक एक्शन. उसके बाद तो इधर उधर करके आप उसको रेक्टिफाई करोगे. ऐसे नहीं आप फुल 100% प्लान प्रूफ करके कभी नहीं उतर सकते हो, कहीं
नहीं
कहीं पे भी
होता
नहीं.
है. राइट. तो अगर करना है तो दिस इज द राइट टाइम. डोंट वेट लाइक कभी राइट टाइम पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज द टाइम एंड इट विल रियली, I mean, my experience is really awesome.
Super. So yeah, that's what I wanted to thank you once again. Thank you so much for sharing an insight and sharing your journey, because ultimately we have a dream to impact at least 100,000 people and to change their
Sure.
life. To
Yes,
change their life.
definitely.
It's not only about that diet, it's not only about that workout, it's not only ultimately living a happy life. And of
Yes.
course, weight loss and that energy. It's all about energy. You talk about anything, it's all about energy.
Yeah. If you're feeling good now from inside and you're looking yourself, you're you're like you are not irritated or you are not lost or weak in the evening time when it's the main time for the family,
Right.
then only you will feel good now. So first we have to, like, for ourselves we should be happy. If we are energetic, we are feeling, uh, then only if we are feeling good, we can make others feel good.
Right. Exactly. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much. And grow more and live more and shine more.
Thank you, Kaushik. All
Thank
thanks
you.
to you.
Thank you, Manali. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Stay blessed.
Bye. Thank you.